Hi, in this video, we're going to look at the second part of what we did before. The first video, we had a project in Eclipse, and we made it a local repository connected to GitKraken, connected to GitHub. Now I'm on a different computer. This is Windows 11, and I want to go to my existing GitHub repository. I don't know why this is here. I want this thing here, which we uploaded in video 1. I want this to come into Eclipse and be connected to it. So I've got Eclipse here. It's using a different version of Java from the old one, and it's got one Java project already. So the first thing that we're going to do is start GitKraken, which I downloaded, and hopefully it's working. So we're going to clone a remote repository. So we're going to take this, click on it, and we click on GitHub, and we're going to, the repository to clone should be here somewhere. My goodness. There's a lot of stuff here. I don't know what all this stuff is. It's not mine. Okay, it was called example. Example for GitHub, there it is. Here's the problem. We have to find out where our Eclipse workspace is. If you go here and you go to File, Switch Workspace, Other, you'll see where it is. Okay, so that's where that is. Now I've got to go there. Browse, Drive C, Users, G7, where the heck was it? Was something G7? Oh, Eclipse Workspace. Okay, great. So that's the one that's already there, the grade 11 program. So I'm going to select folder. Nope, you do not want to select the existing one. It's got to be your workspace folder. Okay, so Eclipse Workspace. So this is now going to go under Users, G7 Eclipse Workspace, example for GitHub. Notice that the name is going to be different from the one that was online. If I wanted to change it, well, I guess I can't. Now hit clone the repo, and it cloned it. So let's click on open now. And that looks exactly how it did before. Not sure why my icons are different. That's really weird. It should be me in both of them. But anyway, I'm on two different computers, so that must be what's happening. So this does not show up in Eclipse. You have to go to File. You have to make a new Java project. The reason for this is I'm going to use exactly the same name because I want it to be in exactly the same folder. Okay, so the folder, if I want a different name here, I have to choose the folder. Oh my gosh. So that was the one on GitHub. And why is it causing problems here? So we have this. I guess I'm going to keep the name the same. I'm not creating module info. That causes more problems than it's worth. Let's go to next, see what it says. Yes, this is everything that's here. Okay, so we have arcade game, we have this, we have the gitignore. Okay, so this is everything we want, and we just hit finish. Okay, so that's there, and we can see again that it's a it's connected with Git because we're on the master branch, and I can go in here, I can run the game, and it says exactly what I was doing before. If I make a change here, If I make a change here and go over here, now it shows there's work in progress. I've done something. I can look at what's happened. It's basically, this is the change to the file. And I'm just going to stage the changes and just say, just minor change and commit the change there. And then I have to push it so it shows up on GitHub. Okay. Now everything is synchronized. You can learn about making branches and other things there if you need to. If we go to GitHub and refresh this, you can see there's message 2. Okay, so what we've done so far, we've got all of this done in video 1 and now video 2. We've got this repository. Now this could be person 1. You could be working with a partner. Person 1 writes a program, puts it on GitHub, gives you access to their GitHub account. You get access to the GitHub account by going to settings in your repository and go to collaborators and then invite somebody. So you'd invite your friend. So the person who owns this would invite the friend. The friend would go over here, follow the steps we've just done, and then the friend would have a copy of the program, and you can then edit it, and then you can push it. And when you push it, it will update GitHub. And when you pull it, it will get any new changes. Okay, that was really quick. I think it covers everything we need to know. The other stuff that you'll need to learn is how GitHub actually works and how commits work and everything else, but that's a separate topic.